What should I do now that the 5-year ban in my passport has expired? The short answer: you may need to update some details on your passport. The whole question: I was banned from South Africa for 5 years. Now that the 5-year ban has expired, what should I do? The long answer: South Africa is a popular tourist destination for many tourists, and many opt-ins to permanently move to South Africa to work or retire here. Our beautiful country has many popular destinations to see, such as our landscape and wonderful games reserves, and not to forget our world-class wines. Tourists who travel from visa-free countries are allowed to arrive in South Africa without applying for a visitor's visa and will receive a visa at the port of entry for 30 or 90 days. A tourist has the option to extend their visa for a further 30 or 90 days and must apply 60 days before their visa expires at VFS. What are the immigration fines for expired visa? Table of contents. Immigration fines for expired visa. Penalties for overstaying in South Africa with expired visas. Overstay penalty from DHA declared as undesirable. Submitting an overstay penalty appeal. How to avoid an overstay in South Africa and apply for an extension. Samigration can assist you. A tourist who has overstayed their 90 days in South Africa will face consequences, and as such will be declared undesirable when they exit the country. Previously, the Department of Home Affairs issued fines to the tourist for the overstay upon leaving the country, and this could amount to anything between R2500 L0 to R3000. The severity of the fines was based on how long you overstayed in South Africa. Today, an overstay can lead to a ban and not a fine. The law has changed in 2014, and the new immigration law was implemented, which scraped the fine system. Previously, a person could overstay their visa and be fined when they exit South Africa. The person then had to go to the South African embassy in their country of residence and pay the fine along with the necessary documents such as their passport. The fine document stating the amount and their passport. Penalties for overstaying in South Africa with expired visas. Today, the Department of Home Affairs no longer issues fines to an undesirable person for overstaying in South Africa. A new system has been implemented since the new immigration regulations have been implemented in 2014, which now declares any visitor who overstayed illegal and declared an undesirable person and not fined. Overstay penalty from DHA declared as undesirable. When the visitor exists in South Africa with an expired visa at a border, they will receive a letter from the visa official declaring them undesirable. The period of the ban depends on how long you overstayed. A person who has overstayed less than 30 days will receive a 12-month ban. A person who has overstayed more than 30 days will receive a 5-year ban. No fines will be issued to any tourist. All South African visas have an expiry date.